I'm going to show you how to solve this complex rational fraction. So you can see you have this fraction inside of the fraction, and there's no addition or subtraction in there. So when that's the case, this is a lot easier than it looks. So the first thing you need to do is rewrite this into a different form. It's going to look a little more familiar. You're going to realize you already know how to do this problem. It looks worse than it actually is. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite this. We're going to take the numerator part and we're going to divide it by the denominator part, writing it along horizontally instead of this vertical configuration. Okay, so I'm going to write 7 t to the 4th u to the 4th all over 10s to the 5th, and we're going to divide that by 28 t to the 3rd times u all over 5 r s to the 3rd. Okay, so hopefully you're looking at that and saying, hey, I know how to do that. We just did that. So we're going to change this division, remember, to multiplication, flip the fraction on the right, simplify, multiply. Okay, so 7t to the 4th, u to the 4th, over 10 s to the 5th. This part stays the same. Change the division to multiplication, flip the fraction on the right. So this becomes 5r s to the 3rd all over 28 t to the 3rd times u. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and look at, I like to again start with the numbers, and I see 7 and 28. I can divide those both by 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 28 divided by 7 is 4. 10 and 5, you can divide both of those by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. And then we start dealing with, right, there's nothing else, no other numbers. So we start dealing with the variables. So let's start up here with the t's. So we have t to the 4th up here, and we have a t to the 3rd. So we can take 3 of those t's away, and that leaves you with 1 t. I like to rewrite it so that I don't skip it or miss it. Okay, and then let's see, u to the 4th. So when I have got 1 u down here, so we can take the 1 u down here away. We're going to take this one of the u's away from, we had 4 of them, so now you're going to have 3, right? You're going to subtract the exponents. Okay, so now we have, let's see, there's only this r here, and then s to the 3rd. So we have 3 s's up here. We're going to take those away. We're going to subtract those 3, right? Take 3 of them away down here. This becomes s squared. We don't want to forget this r, so I'm just going to kind of put it up here so I don't miss it. And so we look up here on the top part and we multiply. We have 1 times t times u to the 3rd times 1 times r. And just in general, you can just put this in alphabetical order. So we're going to have r times t times u to the 3rd all over, let's see, 2 times 4, which is 8, s squared. And there you go. We just solved a complex fraction. Again, you rewrite it in its horizontal form, change division to multiplication, flip the fraction on the right, simplify, multiply them together. And that's it.